Welcome back to Overheat. Volkswagen Motorhome 2026, a creative and luxurious journey. External design, modern and aerodynamic look. The 2026 motorhome is anticipated to use the most contemporary Volkswagen design language, with smoother and more aerodynamic lines than its predecessor. This will improve fuel efficiency or electric power and make it look newer and more contemporary. Signature lighting. Headlights and taillights will most likely mix state-of-the-art LED technology with a distinctive Volkswagen design to deliver optimal visibility and a unique visual identity. There will most likely be an adaptive lighting feature that adjusts the light's direction and intensity according to the state of the road. Balanced proportions, taking into account the comfort and usefulness of the inside. The outside proportions will be designed to maximize living space without coming off as excessively huge or awkward. Interior design, home away from home design philosophy. The interior design will prioritize comfort, functionality, and premium materials, with astute planning. Space will be utilized as effectively as feasible, high-end and environmentally friendly. Materials. Volkswagen is most likely to employ high-end materials with a modern twist. Priority will be given to longevity, cleaning simplicity, and maybe environmentally friendly material options. Flexible layout. With adjustable seats and beds, users may customize the interior to suit their requirements, whether they are sleeping, relaxing, or traveling. Easy-to-use mechanisms for sliding or folding beds will most likely be a key element. Performance and efficiency. Many engines. There will most likely be a variety of powerful and efficient gasoline and diesel engines for long-distance driving and load carrying. Hybrid or fully electric options. Volkswagen is likely to offer a plug-in hybrid PHEV or perhaps an all-electric version of the 2026 motorhome in line with the electrification trend.